In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member on Monday.com. This is really useful when someone leaves your team, changes roles, or simply no longer needs access to your workspace. Removing members properly helps keep your account secure, your user list clean, and your paid seats available for the people who actually need them. Let's walk through this step by step. Start by opening your Monday.com account and looking for your profile picture. Depending on your layout and screen size, you'll usually find it either in the bottom left corner or the top right corner of the screen. It's the little avatar icon that represents your account. Go ahead and click on that profile picture to open the main account menu. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Administration. This is where all of your account level settings live, so you will need to be an admin to see and access it. Click on Administration to open the admin panel. Inside the administration area, you'll see a list of different sections you can manage. Here, we want to focus on your users. Depending on your version or setup, you'll either see a Direct Users tab, or you might first need to click on Directory and then select Users. Both paths take you to the same place, which is the list of everyone who currently has access to your Monday.com account. Once you're in the Users section, scroll or search to find the specific member you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct person, especially if you have multiple users with similar names. This is important because deactivating a user will affect their access to all boards and workspaces. When you find the right member, look to the right of their name for the three-dot menu icon. This is sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click on that three-dot menu to reveal additional options for managing that user. From the drop-down that appears, choose the option called Deactivate User. When you select this, Monday.com will remove that person's access to your account. They won't be able to log in or interact with your boards anymore, but their past activity and items typically remain, so your data and history are preserved. And that's it. By following these steps, you've safely removed a member from your Monday.com account and kept your workspace organized and secure.